Hey trophies, welcome to another Muscle Flex Monday 15-minute beginner-friendly rebounder workout with I Jump Instead. I'm so proud of you for staying so consistent. Let's go ahead and get started with this super fun 15-minute full body muscle building routine. We're gonna start with a normal warm up here, just baby bouncing, standing with excellent posture and closing our mouth and relaxing our shoulders and eye muscles. We wanna relax our breath and feel every bounce pulling us down and massaging us inside and out. Let's go ahead and widen our stance and do some twisting. So we're going to stay right up the center of our mat, guide our twist with our hand behind us, and we can keep our head forward and gaze over our shoulder. Keep the ankles, knees, and hips loose. And stretch a little bit deeper each twist while you work with your bounce, so that you can go deep into your flexibility, and soon we'll be getting into our strength. Last one here. And relax. Let's go ahead and tuck the chin down. And let's take one hand and reach it down diagonal and pull our lips opposite of our arm, stretching our face and neck. And then let's switch and do the other side. Pull those lips over. Stretch deeply through your neck and jaw. And relax. Let's do some hip thrusting here. Loosen up that lower back. Perfect. Now let's do some hip twists. Pointing the knees out, coming up onto the balls of your feet, sinking down into your hips. We're gonna start walking and bringing up the heat in this workout, so let's go ahead and walk. We're gonna walk for 15 seconds, and then we're gonna squat bounce for 15 seconds, and then we're gonna do some warm-up jumping jacks. So use your leg strength here to walk on your resistance mat. Let's go ahead and switch now to bouncing, where we're keeping a low ceiling here and just using our lower body to bounce with flat feet. And then you can play around with your upper body to see where you're most comfortable. Use your handlebar. Now let's go ahead and pop up and do some jumping jacks with the right hand, just bobbing the heels up and down. And we're gonna switch to the left hand at the 45-second mark. 2 and 1 and switch. Perfect. Staying right up the center of your mat, so you can work your symmetry. 3, going back to a walk. 2, 1, let's walk. Use your leg strength and relax your breath. Teeth are closed. Excellent job. We're gonna switch to squat bounce. Let's go ahead and bounce through those flat feet. Strong core and back. If you can lean a little bit into your heels, you'll get more into the backs of your legs. Let's go ahead and pop up again and do our jumping jacks, reaching out to the side with the right arm. The balls of the feet are staying connected to the mat. Stay in good posture here with your mouth closed. Excellent. Switching arms in 1. Here we go. Stretch through your arm, keeping your arm nice and firm. Coming back to a walk in 3, 2, 1, and walk. Notice your breath. Staying calm, moving smoothly through your nose. Perfect. Switching to squat bounce. Here we go. Flat feet. Use your strength to pump your lower body. Jumping jacks with a tricep extension. 2, 1 with the right hand. Keep your arm tight at your side, staying centered and focused. Excellent job. Switching sides in 2 and 1 and switch. Perfect. All right, we're gonna do more arm work. So we're gonna start with a right arm pump. So switch hands in 3, 2, 1, and pump. So we're just keeping a 90-degree bend and pumping back in the up bounce. Keep your arm firm and tight at your side. And stay here for the full 30 seconds. And then we're gonna do a 30-second right arm bicep squeeze. And then we're gonna switch to the left arm. So stay here in your mind to muscle connection. Excellent job. We're gonna squeeze it out in 3, 2, 1. Now keep it tight at your side and squeeze. If you wanna pull back just a little bit, you'll get a little extra tricep extension there. Contract through the bicep and hold. Staying relaxed in your eye muscles and shoulders, squeezing into your side and a little bit back. Excellent job. Holding strong in 3, 2, left arm pump. Here we go. Pumping in the up bounce. You don't have to bounce very high here. Just keep it low and find your perfect rhythm with your rebounder. Excellent job. Getting that tricep extension, keeping that bicep flexed. Excellent, we're gonna go to a squeeze in 2 and 1. Now hold it here, squeeze it out, shoulders down. Bicep contraction. Perfect job. Holding here, mind to muscle connection. Strong core and back. Excellent. Now we're gonna do a high bicep flex pump in 2 and 1 with the right arm. Out, in. Keep your arm up. Activating your shoulder, staying centered and focused. Breath nice and calm. Perfect. Build those biceps. Take it easy, smooth motion. And then we're gonna do a nice long bicep hold in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna have you keep your arm out and you're putting all that weight now right on your bicep, strong tricep, strong lats, delts, and shoulder. Keep your chin parallel to the ground. Teeth closed. Excellent job, trophies. We're gonna switch to the left arm in 3, 2, 1, and switch out and in. Make your arm movements nice and smooth. Perfect. It feels like you're pulling back and forth on a resistance band, keeping your eye muscles relaxed, shoulders relaxed. Excellent job. We're gonna hold the squeeze in 3, 2, 1, and hold. Bring all your activation into your arm and out of your face. Strong core and back. Excellent. Holding so strong. Great job. 4, 3, tricep extension is next. Switching here to the right arm. Reach and extend and contract up and down. Up, down, up, down. Keep it tight at your side. Stay poised, centered, and focused. Holding your arm nice and strong. Getting that bicep and tricep contraction. 3, 2, hold the tricep extension and squeeze. Excellent. Stay calm. You can put a smile on your face, get a little extra face flex. Keeping your chin parallel, working underneath your chin. Excellent job. Switching arms in 2 and 1. Release, extend, contract. Keep it tight into your side. Feel your bicep and your tricep holding strong. Standing up nice and tall. It's all about the center of your mat. Excellent. Gonna hold the squeeze in 3, 2, 1, and hold. Keep your arm tight at your side. Eye muscles are relaxed. It really does help to smile. And you can show your teeth or you can close your lips to keep your teeth moist. Excellent job. 3, 2, 1. Release. And let's come into a squat walk. So we're going to work our legs a little bit. We're going to walk for 15 seconds. We're going to bounce for 15 seconds. And then we're going to hold a glute squeeze. Let's go ahead now and switch to the squat bounce. So flat feet here. Working through the back of your legs, strong core and back, finding your perfect rhythm. Controlling your breath, keeping it cool. Let's go ahead now and pull the glutes in and do a glute squeeze pump. So you're just leaning a little bit forward through your hips, tucked in the glutes, bouncing through the heels. 4 more seconds. 3, 2, 1, and rock it out. Perfect. Another round. Walking. 3, 2, 1. Walk with me with your strong trophy legs into your resistance mat. Excellent. Now let's do our bouncing. Working through the heels and the quads and hamstrings and glutes. Getting better and better at it with every practice. Excellent job. Now squeeze the glutes. Bob here. Hold those glutes nice and squeezed. Excellent job. Hold strong for 4, 3, 2, 1. Release and rock it out. One more round. Give me your best. 3, 2, 1. Walk with me here. Strong legs, strong core, strong back. Teeth closed, eyes relaxed. Just walk at your perfect pace. Excellent. Let's go ahead now and switch to bouncing. Squatted bouncing. Calm breath, staying relaxed. Excellent. Let's pull those glutes in and tuck them for 20 seconds. Sometimes I like to purse my lips here, giving my face a little extra flex. 3, 2, 1, and rock it out. Releasing that lactic acid. For the last minute, we're gonna do alphabet. So we're just gonna health bounce and lip the alphabet with exaggerated mouth movements. 3, 2, 1. A, B, C. And again, A, B, C. Perfect. Let's do some lung breaths. We exhale at the bottom of the pull down with a mid bounce. Hold your right arm up. 3, 2, 1. A full exhale, mouth open. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Now just relax your whole body. Calm your breath and bring your bounce to a stop. Fantastic job, trophies. Was that not the most fun 15-minute Muscle Flex Monday workout ever? So easy. If you want to do it again, feel free to do it again. We've got lots of workouts that we are uploading 6 days a week on this channel. So if you want, you can jump into another one. I will see you in your next workout. Give the video a like though before you go. And also, if you want to jump in the comments section and give me a green heart, I would absolutely love that. Lots of love to you, trophies. I'll see you in your next jumping workout. Take care. Bye-bye.